Hi guys, it's Stephanie. Welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you returning, welcome back. Today I'm starting my road journey again. I didn't start on the first one I was supposed to, or when I said I was when I was supposed to. So I'm starting it today. I already have had my turmeric and ginger shots earlier. Still got my bonnet on, but these are going to be vlogs. I'm gonna try to do a vlog, a daily vlog. So I've had that. Yesterday I went to the grocery store and bought some dino kale, carrots, dandelion, same stuff I had in my sprouts video. I'll link it. Some more ginger. They didn't have any turmeric that was organic, so I got to go to Publix today because I think Publix always have organic turmeric. Right now I'm making my tea. Let me turn y'all around. Right now I'm making my tea. This is the tea that I showed you guys from from my sprouts hall where I bought all of the herbs and keep my herbs up here. I don't have a whole lot, but I do have them and I mix them. Let me bring that down a little bit. I mix them together and put them in my jars. And I have some that I bought from other people and then some that I've made in my individual jars. So this is the one I'm using for cleansing of my liver and to get help with my blood sugar. And this is the one that I use for my allergies and asthma. This is mullein and nettle, and then it also has cinnamon in it, and this is all the ones I showed in my sprouts video. I can't remember everything. Burdock root, lavender, dandelion root, chicory, a few other things that's in there. So that is what I have for that, which is what is here in this tea. So I'm steeping it. I steep a big bottle, and then this I drink a cup a day, and this will last me about 4 days. Then I do it again. So this is what I have. And yeah, so that's it for that. I'm gonna drink that. I drank my turmeric, and then I am going to drink my charcoal, activated charcoal. So slow light in here because it's still kind of early and I don't have no lights on, but I fixed it to be low light. So hopefully you guys can see. But anywho, I'll be back when I go to eat something and show you guys what I eat. I need to prep all my food because I don't like to do that daily. So I'm going to clean it and prep it and put it in the containers. So we'll come back when I get ready to do that. So stay tuned. I'll call y'all back. Alright guys, I am back. So some on the floor. I am about to fix me some lunch. I got a bowl here. And I'll pull y'all down in a minute with some water in it. I'll put a little bit of vinegar in here. And just pour a little bit in here. And then a little bit of baking soda. And I bought a big bag of baking soda from Costco, and I just keep refilling this box. I don't know why I don't put it in a jar, but I just keep using that box. But what I'm going to do is cut up my dino kale and my dandelion and put it in this water and let it soak for a little bit and rinse it. And then I'm going to make me a salad. I'm going to cut up the other stuff while I'm waiting on that too. Because I'm going to put tomatoes, cucumbers, peppers, and I have some carrots that I already have cut up. I bought some carrots, but I'm not going to cut them up till I use these. And that's it. That's it. I got some seeds to put on there. I don't know what I'm going to use for dressing. Maybe I'll make some kind of avocado dressing. My avocados are going bad, so I need to hurry up and use them because they're getting brown. I eat them when they brown. Not when they brown, but I eat them when they're a little bit brown because they deoxidize. They fine. I ain't even have heard me, but do you. Do you. So anyway, let me pull y'all down. Let me get my cutting board and a knife. So I have my cutting board and my knife. And all I'm going to do is cut up this lettuce, put it in this water over here, and let it soak. Because I don't like to do it every day. And to me, it lasts longer when I cut it up, wash it, and put it in my little crisper thing, or whatever that thing called. I don't know what it's called, but I take it. I don't like all these leaves in my lettuce, so I cut the big ones off. The little ones I keep them, but these big ones, these big thick stems, no, I don't like them in my salad. And I don't eat regular lettuce. I don't know why I don't care for regular lettuce too much. I prefer this dark green leafy lettuce, kale rather, when I make a salad. And that's all I do. I do this to that, and I do it to the daddy line. But I speed y'all up. I know y'all don't want to be watching this, but I was just showing you how I do it, and I bring y'all back, slow y'all down rather, because I ain't turning that camera off. I'm just keep doing it until when I get it to the putting it in the thing. It's raining too. I went outside to get me some okra to put in my salad because I like raw okra, and the raw okra is sweet. If y'all ain't never tried it, try it. Try it. I'm keep talking to y'all because who knows if I speed this up or not. So I'm gonna keep talking. Anyway, I need to give me a second. Bring my second camera down here. Well, I do have one hanging up above my head, but for some reason, that a spider. What is that? It won't focus. Something wrong with it. I gotta redo the settings. It's too much like work. And I'm gonna figure it out because I need some B-roll. Oh, down okay. I need to grow. I keep trying to grow it, and I think I need some new seeds. But I think I got some seeds that I harvested myself from mine that I need to try to grow. Because I'm always saving seeds. Always. From everything. Because you should always save your own seeds. Stuff grow better when they came out your environment. Because you don't know where these seeds came from. Up north, down south. You don't know. They was bred in the south and you live in the north. I don't think they're going to perform as well. And vice versa. So, I just save my own. Whether they cross-pollinate or not, don't care. If they grow and produce a fruit or vegetable, I'm good. Or if it looked the exact same, don't care. I always get the red ones. Every now and then they don't have the red ones, and I had to get the ones that's green stem. But stuff with red stems is good for your blood. Anything red supposedly is good for your blood. Beets, has vitamin, I think it's A, but don't get me to lie. Ask a nutritionist or your doctor. Google it. Ask Googles. Google know everything. You know what I don't. That's for sure. Alright. Alright. She got my big cutting board, but we don't. We had a little one. So I'm gonna just roll this up. And I don't know if it's my good knife. I got two knives that look the exact same. These are these Cuisinart, but one of them is dull, and I need to sharpen it. And one of them cut good. I think I got the good one today. I think. Cut, throw in the bowl, make some space. Okay, I went and picked some okra and some peppers. These are my Baquijo, I think that's the name of these peppers. I put it on the screen because I can't ever remember it. But they come in red and yellow. The red ones to me are sweeter. And then I got okra and I got a few green beans. It started pouring raining, so that's all I could get. And then I have some broadleaf basil or giant basil. It got several names. I don't know which one I have because I think I got 2 packs. So, and these came back from last year. I didn't plant them. Oh, no, I did plant them. I did. But I can't remember. Oh, my God. If you have never eaten basil in your salad, especially this kind. I don't know about no other kind, but this basil right here in a salad is delicious. Surely is. And some of it out there is going to seed, so I probably need to plant some more. All of it ain't, but Somebody knocking on my door. Ain't nobody been invited. So we have those. We have these. Sometimes I cut these in half, sometimes I don't, but you don't need to. See how they look? Now they ring the doorbell. Ain't nobody been invited here. I don't answer no doors. Somebody soliciting. I don't know who in their right mind open their doors for strangers these days and time. Not me. Alright, put them green beans in there. Put these cucumbers in here. Put my little dried carrots. They're dried out, but they fine. They ain't too dry. Alright, don't talk about how much onions I put on my salad, y'all. A salad ain't a salad with a whole bunch of onions. I eat all these onions in 3 days. And I use a whole bunch of black pepper. That was a lot of pepper. I ain't mean to put that many peppers on there, but it is what it is. It ain't like I ain't gonna like it. Because I will. See how the paring knife don't give you all that bull crap? I still ain't got no dressing. Ain't made none. Should have made the dressing. And I always cut your tomatoes flat side up. You cut it the other way, you are gonna get seeds and squishing everywhere. Get my little okra seeds. I'm gonna eat half. I'm gonna put the other half in my tomato saver. Got new tomatoes coming, but they're small ones. No slicers. Alright, that's what we got. Yeah, I probably couldn't see. Black pepper. And I put garlic powder on it too. Black pepper. Lots of black pepper, which I need more of. Stop shedding. And onion powder. Garlic powder. Pumpkin seeds. A little protein. And sliced almonds. A little hemp seed. Avocado that's going bad. It don't look good at all. Don't look too bad. And got a little rosemary oil that I made. So we'll use that as my dressing with some apple cider vinegar. Cause that's all we got for today. Apple cider vinegar. I think I'm gonna throw some dried blueberries on here. And they got sugar on them, unfortunately. But I'm just gonna put a few. I've been trying to find some without sugar. Alright guys, that's it. This is my lunch for today. My salad. I am going to eat that. We'll come back and see what I eat for dinner. Y'all lopsided. Ooh, y'all lopsided. But anyway, we'll be back later. Alright, this is my salad all cut up and ready to eat. I am ready for lunch.